start. I am delighted to attend the inauguration ceremony of the multi-sport event Meghalaya Games. I extend my best wishes to all the participating sportspersons. I am confident that they will put up a remarkable show in this edition of the Meghalaya Games. I am happy to note that this opening ceremony of Meghalaya Games is being held in the P.A. Sangma Football Stadium, which is said to be the country's largest pre-engineered composite football stadium. I pay my homage to late Sri P.A. Sangma, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and former Speaker of Lok Sabha. Sri Sangma was the first tribal speaker of Lok Sabha and also the first speaker from Northeast. Sri Sangma was loved by politicians cutting across party lines. He was a visionary who worked tirelessly to address Northeast region's unique challenges. Para, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast India traditionally has a strong sports culture. The region has a tremendous potential for development of sports and sports persons. Further, the region has a large tribal population who are good at many sports, archery being one of them. Para, diversity is the beauty of our nation and we should utilize it to further boost India's global image in sports arena. There is an urgent need to support the talent from the tribal areas and groom them to become professional sports persons. I am happy to note that the Society of Northeast encourages women to play and join sports as a profession. Northeast region has produced many great women athletes. I would also like to underline the potential of adventure sports and adventure tourism in this region and the need to explore and leverage it on priority. Para, the region has produced some great sportspersons who have contributed to India's tally in prestigious international tournaments like Olympics and Commonwealth Games. Last week, I gave Arjun Award to hockey player Susila and Usu player Anita Devi in a ceremony held in Rashtrapati Bhavan. I congratulate both of them for making the country proud. I am confident that events like Meghalaya Games will encourage athletes for excellence, promote competitiveness, and create vibrant sporting ecosystem. The National Sports University provides courses on sports science, sports technology, sports management, and sports coaching. I am sure it will create a rich sports ecosystem in the region. Para. Ladies and gentlemen, I am told that about 3,000 athletes are participating in these games. I appreciate the state government and the organizers for hosting this event. This decision of the government to hold these games in different parts of the state is a welcome step and would ensure wider reach of such events among masses. The development of sports infrastructure in the state will also get a boost when these events are held at different venues. I commend the state government and local administration for using this opportunity to engage the local residents in beautification programs, cleanliness, and plantation drives. I am confident that such Jan Vagidari programs and multicultural events will go a long way in building social harmony and creating trust among various communities of the state. Para, India's sporting culture has developed immensely in recent years with government's new initiatives and encouragement to the athletes, Indian sportspersons are now winning more medals than ever in global events. Indian contingent delivered spectacular performances in recently held World University Games and Asian Games. Programs such as Khelo India are helping in identifying and nurturing future sports champions. Stop. Our athletes are so determined and committed that they are making a mark in para games too. Our men and women sport persons are keeping the Indian flag flying high. Stop.